So it's been a couple of days since I got back from a private group hunt for Civil War artifacts somewhere in Virginia on a battlefield. So here's a rundown of what I found. This one right here, I almost cut it into with the shovel. This one right here is a Williams cleaner. Mostly all are fired bullets. I did find one Gardner dropped in pretty good shape. That's a little special find. I kept looking for ringtail sharps and I never did find one. There's a 3-ringer that was dropped, another 3-ringer that was dropped. They're the only ones I can say was dropped. This right here is 2 halves of a bullet. They were about 1 inch apart. And if you hold them just right, they kind of fit together. This was 2 fragments in the same hole. Only 22 bullets I found, thankfully. 1 piece of camp lead, 1 pistol bullet, 1 flat button, and no military buttons. This is the only signal I got that I said was a button before I dug it. This is the disc and shaft out of a Williams cleaner. That was a little first for me. I never had found a whole one. Most of the time you just find the disc only. So we had a good time, a lot of camaraderie. We're looking forward to the next one. Hope you enjoy the vid and give me a like and maybe a sub.